Good evening, viewers. Today we shall be looking at how to assemble a star delta panel. Components are assembled on a plate, that comes with a control panel box. As you can see here, we are having line connectors with some few wire passed through it. We have the circuit breaker. We have the circuit breaker. We have the fuse holder. As you can see, it's having a fuse inside. This fuse is rated 6 amps. Then we have the phase monitor. We have the main contactor having a timer mounted on top of it, auxiliary timer. We have the overload, as you can see, the overload. Then we have the delta contactor. We have the star contactor. All of them are mounted on a DIN rail. As you can see, these are the trunkings. As you can see,